You're gonna let Yanks pick for you. All right. That's one, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. I was gonna say maybe Yanks fell asleep, but the Yanks. You figure it's probably gonna be 3 or 7. I don't know. That's my bet. All right, box number 3. All right, sir. Good luck to you. Let's see what we got here. Tech. So we got Topps High Tech Baseball. Oh man, I hope not. It's brutal, huh? All right, let's see what we got here, gentlemen. All right, first on the list, got a rookie card, Robert Ozuna. All right, from the New York Mets, formerly of the New York Mets, Mr. Mike Piazza. Camera focus, there we go. Of the Chicago Cubs, here's a good one. Anthony Rizzo. On the Reds, we got Barry Larkin. Here's an auto. Number 47 of 50, a gold auto, 47 of 50. Here's a good one for you. George Springer. I like him. He's a really nice young player. Not bad. Rookie card, the Mets. Delson Herrera. Another rookie card from the Tigers. Stephen Moyle. Lots of rookies in this one. Far from a rookie. The big hurt himself, Mr. Frank Thomas. I don't know why the camera doesn't want to focus on that. There you go, sir. You're quite welcome. You can call me Travis. This is Kel's shop, but I'm not Kel. No, Kel was in here earlier. Did one of the super breaks, but you'll either see myself on here. My name's Travis, or you'll see Adam runs during the daytime. So there's that gold auto, George Springer again for you. He said number 47 of 50. I will get these packaged up for you and shipped right out. I appreciate